Brad Hall here, and right in front of me is a box that Adidas sent me. Today I'm going to open this box on the very first episode of a show that I'm calling What's in This Box? So stay tuned. Welcome everyone to What's in This Box. It is a show where I guess what's inside of a box, and then at the end of the show we are going to see whether or not I'm right. Now before we get into the opening portion of this video, I've got two quick things. Number one, thank you to the very kind people at Adidas for sending me this box. I wasn't expecting it. It's a very pleasant holiday surprise, so thank you. Now the second thing that I have to get to, I'm going to give you my guess for what's inside to see if I'm correct. I've seen that it's Boost Week right now. This box, it is about the size of a shoebox. So my very first thought was maybe it's a pair of that Ultra Boost 5.0 shoe. That would definitely make a lot of sense. And another idea I had that would also make a lot of sense, seeing as how it's Boost Week, it would be a special Brad Hall edition of the Ultra Boost. I could see them sending me that shoe to just get the hype going and then release it later on in huge quantities. And then finally, not only is it Boost Week, it is also the holiday season. I could definitely see this being a holiday gift basket. I spent a lot of time browsing a gift basket site, trying to eyeball which gift basket would fit best inside of this box. So I am thinking it is very possible that right inside is the deluxe meat and cheese gift basket. So three options: Ultra Boost 5.0, the Brad Hall Ultra Boost, and of course that meat and cheese gift box. My best guess for inside of this box, the Brad Hall Ultra Boost. So let's see if I'm right. One last little strand here. So I've got all the tape off, and now we are going to see if the Brad Hall Ultra Boost is indeed inside. Very excited to see if that's what it is. Oh, I see it right away. Unless it's a decoy box, this is not in fact the Brad Hall Ultra Boost. This is a Pharrell NMD. So it is not a decoy box. It is a Pharrell NMD. So let me get this down to the side here. This colorway definitely feels appropriate for this time of year. It looks cozy, just showing off the lettering. It's a very nice look, if you can see that. Extra laces. So there it is on foot. Hopefully you can see that over there too. So on this episode of What's in This Box, the box contained the Adidas Pharrell NMD. I of course guessed a Brad Hall Ultra Boost. So I was wrong. If you're keeping score at home, I am officially 0 for 1 on What's in This Box. But on the next episode, I go and try to even that score, get back to 500. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again, Adidas, for the Pharrell NMD. And as always, thank you for watching.